Falling in Art sent me this aluminum flip chart easel stand, and I want to show you why this one has become a staple in our homeschool setup. We use it to hold our whiteboard during lessons and to display teaching posters, and it has been one of the most practical things I have added to our learning space. If you have ever dealt with a wobbly easel that tips over mid-lesson or refuses to adjust to the right height for your kids, this solves that completely. This is made from lightweight but sturdy aluminum. It does not feel cheap and it does not wobble no matter what surface you put it on. It stands at 63.5 inches tall, which is a really comfortable height for teaching from, whether you are standing in front of a whiteboard or pointing to a poster. The floor legs are fully adjustable, so it sits level on carpet, hardwood, or any uneven surface without rocking. It also folds flat in seconds for easy storage between lessons, which matters a lot when you are working out of a shared living space. The flip chart bar at the top holds a standard paper pad securely, and the frame works just as well for a whiteboard or a poster board, which is exactly how we use it for our homeschool lessons. Setup takes under 2 minutes with no tools needed. You just unfold it, adjust the legs, and it is ready to go. For homeschool families, classroom teachers, or anyone who does presentations at home, this is a genuinely versatile and reliable option. Follow along for more honest reviews and homeschool finds like this one.